can't see how much the wind is blowing, but it has calmed down a little bit, but not much. You can see the flag over there rowing. You can just see really the palm trees. Whoa! You can notice it is really blowing a little bit. But tonight they said a couple of severe thunderstorms at times. But I think it's going to be more towards the north, and it won't get us. But not too long ago, we had very windy conditions. You can see right here, you can see this blob of wood right where I'm pointing just came down, fell down today. And right here from the wind, this wind got too strong that it couldn't handle any more holding of the palm tree right above you. And here's a quick clip once again, repeatedly. This thing just fell down. But it could get strong by tomorrow morning. It could be windy again. And here's more junk to show you. Look at all the junk that fell today. Now look at this right here. This is part of the body of the shell of the palm tree. And that goes with that over there. You can just see right here that everything just blew all over. Luckily, this didn't get power outages. But you can't see what the wind did this morning from me videoing this morning at school. All the pine needles just rippled all over the place. And here's one last piece I will show you, pretty much. That here's one of the pieces that came from the same spot right coming down here, and it was really windy this morning, up to about 80 miles per hour in some areas. And I think we are just behind the system where we won't be seeing that wind for the whole time. And here's one more clip right here while I'm riding my scooter. Here is the clip that I was showing you for the palm tree. See you later. Bye.